Blockchain, the foundation of the crypto world. What is blockchain? Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers. Each transaction is linked to the previous one, creating a secure and transparent chain. Key features. 1. Decentralization. Distributed ledger. Data is spread across a network, avoiding single points of failure. 2. Transparency. Public record. Transactions are visible to all participants, ensuring openness. 3. Security. Cryptographic hashing. Data is encrypted and linked, making tampering difficult. Consensus mechanisms. Methods like proof of work, POW, validate transactions, ensuring integrity. 4. Immutability. Unchangeable data. Once recorded, data cannot be easily altered, preserving transaction history. Applications beyond crypto. 1. Smart contracts. Automate agreements based on predefined conditions. 2. Supply chain. Track products, enhancing transparency and reducing fraud. 3. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Create financial services without traditional banks. 4. Digital identity. Securely manage and verify digital identities. Challenges. 1. Scalability. Managing high transaction volumes can be challenging. 2. Regulatory issues. Ongoing development of legal frameworks. 3. Energy consumption. Some blockchain methods, like proof of work, are energy intensive. Blockchain is a key technology in crypto and offers promising applications in various fields, though it faces scalability, regulatory, and environmental challenges.